Hi, I'm Dr. Thomas Armstrong, and today we're talking about Dr. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. The idea that there are 8 and possibly even 9 intelligences that we can use to enrich our lives, to solve problems, to create products, and really expand our human potential. And in this video, I'd like to get us started in thinking about how we can use this theory to learn something new. And to use as an example an English vocabulary word, and that is lacustrine. Lacustrine means of or pertaining to lakes. Now, if we were to learn this in the traditional way through WordSmart, we'd simply look it up in the dictionary or Google it and get the definition and write it down, and that would be it. And if you're WordSmart, that might be all you need. But for the logic smart person, what they might need is to analyze the word. They might want to look at the word etymology. They might want to see the original Latin root, which was lacus, L-A-C-U-S, and the relationship to the French word lac, and how those patterns look logically like each other, lacus, lac, and lake. That might make more sense to them as a way of remembering the information in that word. The picture smart person, on the other hand, might want to visualize it. They might want to close their eyes, picture a lake, and in the middle of the lake, put the word. Oftentimes, if we put the word and the image together, we're more apt to remember it than if we put the image over here and the word over there. The person who is the body smart individual might want to create a gesture that reminds them of the meaning of the word. So they might want to make a lake with their hands and say the word lacustrine. The self-smart way of learning this word would be to apply it to our personal lives. So we might want to think of a time in our lives when we took a trip, a very pleasant, or maybe it was not pleasant, it doesn't matter as long as there's emotion, trip to a lake, and we think of that as, oh, I had a wonderful lacustrine vacation, or I had a terrible thing happen to me in this lacustrine environment. And that will help us fuse the meaning of the word to our emotions. To learn this word through people smart, we should be using it out there in conversation. So we should, for example, take the word and for the next 24 hours, find as many opportunities to use that word when we're talking with other people. Now, we may get some strange looks, but you can just tell them, I'm practicing. You know, we need to use these words, not just learn them in an artificial school setting in order for us to integrate them. And then, of course, through Nature Smart, we can associate the lacustrine to a natural setting, which of course it is. So in these different ways, we're really creating new connections to different areas of our brain so that when we come back to the word lacustrine, we have new understanding and we're going to remember that word forever. For more information about the theory of multiple intelligences, see my books, 7 Kinds of Smart, Identifying and Developing Your Multiple Intelligences. That's for adult learners and high school and college students. My book, Multiple Intelligences in the Classroom. This is for the K-12 teacher. And In Their Own Way, Discovering and Encouraging Your Child's Multiple Intelligences. And this is designed specifically for parents. Thank you.